Welcome to my Continental Knitting Lab. Today I'd like to teach you about how to do longtail cast on and cast on that my mom taught me many years ago. It creates a really nice edging. Now we're going to start with a longtail cast on. We're going to create a slip knot. Most of you are familiar with. Now we're going to put our yarn behind our thumb and index finger. We're going to go under and slip the yarn. And again, we're gonna take our yarn behind the thumb and index finger, go under the yarn and let it slip. And you're gonna continue like this until you have desired number of stitches. Each product requires specific number of stitches, and with this method, it's very easy. Now we have casted on 10 stitches. It is time to show you how to do the cast down my mom taught me. The knot I do is different than a slip knot. You can also do a slip knot, but basically you take the yarn and create like a slingshot hole, and you go over, pick up the two strands of yarn, put the needle in between and tighten it up. Again. Pick up the two strands, create a loop, and put the needle through the loop. And again, you create the slingshot hole, take the two strands, pull it through, and you create like a little loop, put the needle through it and tighten it up. Last time. So this cast on is basically like two special cast ons put together. So now we're gonna go under and over and through the loop. Let it go and tighten it up. Now we're going to do the second part. under and over and through the loop again. The second cast on creates the little loop up in front. And again, it's always the slingshot hold of the yarn, yarn behind the thumb and the index finger. We're gonna go under, over, and through the loop. Let it go, the yarn from the thumb, and tighten it up. Now we're gonna do again the second part. We're going to go under and over, and notice how my thumb is being positioned, and we're gonna go through the loop and tighten it up. Now we created a nice bar up in front with the yarn, and again under and over and through the loop. Second part, under, over, and through the loop. Let it go and tighten it up. Now I'm going to show it to you with a more contrasting color. Here you can see us really stretchy this cast on is. I use it for socks, sweaters, scarves, anything. So again, slingshot hold of the yarn. We're gonna go under, over, and through the loop. Let it go, tighten it up. Second part, under, over, and through the loop. Let the yarn go, tighten it up with your thumb. Under, over, through the loop. Let it go, tighten it up with the thumb. Under and over, through the loop. Let it go, tighten it up. And even though I have been knitting for some time, when I do it fast, this method is a bit slower, but it creates really nice edging. So after 30 years of knitting, I still am a bit slow, but it creates really nice edging.